What's up, everybody? Tiny Dog here, and welcome to my how to install mods for Minecraft version 1.2.3. In this video, we will be downloading and installing Buildcraft, Industrialcraft, Redpower, Equivalent Exchange, additional pipes, aka teleport pipes, logistic pipes, forestry mod, and wireless redstone. In addition to that, also we will be, of course, downloading Mod Loader MP, Minecraft Forge, and not enough items. So there's a lot of files to download. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do, of course, is locate your .minecraft folder. If you don't know how to get there, you go into your search bar, which you click the little Windows symbol there, and you type %, app data, %, and you hit enter, and you'll see the first thing that comes up is the .minecraft folder. So what I like to usually do is right click on that .minecraft folder, send to desktop as a shortcut, so that you'll always have easy access to your .minecraft folder. Okay, so you just click that and it'll make this shortcut right here. So now I can just double click that and it'll take me right to my .minecraft folder. And as you can see in our .minecraft folder, we have these folders and files, and this is this is only Minecraft version 1.2.3. There's no mods installed here. There's nothing. I've done absolutely nothing. I didn't even make a game yet. Okay, so it's a fresh install, and you always want to start that way. Okay, and now since we have this, first thing we want to do is make a backup in case everything goes terribly wrong. We'll still have our files nicely intact, or in case sometime later down the road you want to go back to 1.2.3, you'll always have that version. So what I usually do is I'll just select everything and copy, and then I'll make a folder on my desktop called 1.2.3 backup, and I'll just paste the items into there. So in case something goes wrong or I want to go back, I'll always have it. Very easy. And I suggest you do that anytime you're gonna install a new mod, or you want to have old saves. Just make a backup folder. Very easy. So now that we did that, we can close that Minecraft folder. I also made another folder on my desktop, and I called it Minecraft Mods. And this is where this is where we're gonna download all our files, all our mods, everything. Everything that we download from the internet. I'm gonna make sure it goes right into this folder, so everything's neat and together. And you essentially have your own mod pack. You just made it by putting it into one folder. So let's begin our downloading. Go to our Internet Explorer. Okay, and the first thing we want to download is Mod Loader. So here's our Google search bar, and we go to Mod Loader. We just type Mod Loader in the Google search bar and we hit enter. What comes up? Version 1.2.3, which is what we're downloading for our Minecraft, and it says Rizugami's mods. So we click that link, and it takes us to his forum topic. We scroll down and let's find that downloaded version somewhere. Okay, right here. It says Mod Loader 1.2.3, and it says download, add fly, or download direct. Doesn't matter which one you pick. I'll pick direct since it's faster, and we save the file. Okay, and that's done. First file is done in the record books. So I'm just gonna minimize that and check my folder here, and I'll have it. I have Mod Loader, so it's automatically going into my folder, and everything will be together, so no problem. Alright, the second file we want to download is Mod Loader MP. Now of course I have my Google search bar on top of here, so I can just type Mod Loader MP into Google, hit enter, and right here we see Flans mods 1.2.3. So we click that link, And right here it says mod loader MP 1.2.3. So we click that, and right here you'll see is it says right here SDK's mod loader MP is currently up to date, so download it here. So let's click that link, and it'll take us to another thread, and we just take a look here. Right here it goes, download mod loader MP version 1.2.3 version 3. So we show the spoiler, and right here we download the client. Make sure you download the client if you want to do single player, which this is what the video's for. So we'll click that, and it'll take us to an ad fly, of course, and we just wait 5 seconds on top here, and we click skip ad, and right here it says mod loader MP version 3, and we save that file and hit OK. Another file down and out, so we're just gonna check my mods folder. Alright, so everything's downloading in the proper folder, so we're good to go. Let's open up our web page. Alright, so we'll go back to our Google search bar, and let's download Minecraft Forge. So we type that in there, we hit enter, and right here it says API Minecraft Forge, Minecraft Forum. So let's click that and scroll down, and right here it says that his download is located pretty much on the Buildcraft's website. So let's click this link right here, the first link on top here, and this is Buildcraft's website, so we'll be visiting this a couple times in this video. But right here it takes us to his forum page, and just in case you can't find where Minecraft Forge is, you just go to the Buildcraft page, which is mod-buildcraft.com, okay, and you go to the forum, which is here, okay, and we scroll down, and right here we see Minecraft Forge. So let's click that, and we scroll here, and it says Forge downloads Minecraft 1.2.3, so that's the up-to-date version, and he has 2 versions here. He has a recommended and the latest build. Of course, I would suggest you download the recommended. So let's click that link, and right now we're at Minecraft Forge client 1.4.1.59. Very important that you download this. This is going to be compatible with the mods we download. Okay, if it's a different version, I'm not sure it'll work, but for now this version, which is the recommended version, is 1.4.1.59. So let's click that link, the client of course, and we download, and we save. Alright, all done. Next up is not enough items. So we'll go to our Google bar and our Google search, and we type in not enough items. Hit enter. Now this is kind of hard to find, I've noticed. It would probably been better for us to type chicken bones mods, but it's okay. We type not enough items, and we just look down here, and you'll see it right here, 1.2.3 single player chicken bones mods. So let's click that. Okay, and this is his Minecraft forum topic, which is called chicken bones mods, and we scroll down, and right here we see not enough items. But it is very important that you need to download another file for not enough items to work. Some people have trouble with this. You do not just download not enough items. You have to download this code chicken core. This is what makes not enough items work. So very important you do not forget to do that. So let's download code chicken core 0.4.3, and we just show that, and right here we download it for the client, and it's another ad fly, so let's wait. And click skip ad, and we save file. Awesome. So let's go back to the chicken bones mods Minecraft forum, and now we can download not enough items. So we spoiler show, and right here where it says install instructions and downloads, we click that spoiler, and right here not enough items, and we download the client. And And another ad fly. He's got to make his $5, of course. Maybe 20 if he's lucky. And we save the file. Okay. We're done with not enough items. Next up is, alright, so now we can start downloading mods, which is why we're here. Type in Buildcraft into the Google search. Alright, so we have the first topic here is www.mod-buildcraft.com. So let's click that link. Takes us to the Buildcraft main page. And we have two versions of Build. All right, this is where it gets a little tricky. There's two versions of Buildcraft. There is the standard version, which is Buildcraft for Minecraft 1.2.3, or there's Buildcraft Alpha 3.x. Buildcraft Alpha, of course, has a chance to have bugs, but it has some new additions that you might find interesting now, and you want to use them now. So I've used Buildcraft Alpha 3.x in my playthroughs, and I never had an issue with that mod. So I'm going to download the Buildcraft Alpha because it has a couple cool machines, and I don't have any bugs or anything. Everything pretty much works normal. So I'm going to click Buildcraft Alpha 3.x. And right here we have Buildcraft 3.x release for Minecraft 1.2.3. So where's the download link? Right here. There's the download link. So we click that, and here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 separate files we have to download: core, builders, energy, factory, transport, and silicon for 3.1.4. So we have to download each of these manually, and they're all AdFly, so pretty epic. And we save that file, go back one, download builders. Now I could skip this part, but I figured, hey, time's not an issue. Takes us a while. So at least you'll see me downloading every file that we have to make this Minecraft run. So just remember that we are downloading Buildcraft 3.1.4. Just get that in the back of your head, because there are certain mods that only work with certain versions of Buildcraft, and I will show you all those in a bit. Save that file. Next up is factory. So we're making the Buildcraft dude some money right here. And save file. Go back. Transport. AdFly. What is AdFly? AdFly is an annoying freaking thing that we have to download. Alright, skip ad. Save transport files. And we'll go back, and the last but not least is silicon. And we skip ad, and we save file. Okay, we have all the Buildcraft files. So that's done. Let's go back to our Google search, and let's type in industrial craft. And right here we have Industrial Craft Wiki. So let's click that link. Okay, we're at the wiki page, and if we look here in big bold letters, it says download. So the latest version, it seems, let's click download, is right here. Download IC2 for Minecraft 1.2.3. So we click that link, and right here, latest version 1.81. So let's download the client, of course. So let's download that. And it's a jar file, but do not worry. It's the same thing. Just save that file. So no problem. Industrial Craft is done. Next up to bat is Redpower. So let's put Redpower 2. And here we go. The first thing we see is 1.2.3 LRAM's mods. So pre-release 4E. So let's click that link. Now you won't find a download in her Minecraft forum. You're gonna find it on her blog. So it says right here, official blog. Let's click that. And we look on the top right here, it says download Redpower. Click that. And here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lovely files to download separately and all AdFly. Great. Okay, skip add and save the file. Go back. We'll do logic. Logic, I'm guessing, are all the little switches they have for Redpower. Pretty confusing stuff, but very, very useful for certain machines and all that good stuff. And we save that. Then we have wiring. Wiring is one of my favorite things about Redpower. You can have the redstone sticking on the walls. It's awesome. And we skip add and we save the file. Next up is array, which is, I don't know. I don't know what part of the mod that is. Sorry, LRAM. I'll buy you a Valentine's Day gift. Alright, Redpower array. We click OK. Go back. Lighting. Lighting is awesome. You can make lights. Put them in your factory or your house. Makes your house look a lot cooler than the standard torches. And let's see, save file, save lighting. Go back. What's next? World. This will generate the different ores, the Redpower trees, the volcanoes. Definitely cool volcanoes. So we skip add and we save file. And we're done with that. And last but not least are the machines, which you know, you have your deployers, you have your filters, you have your furnaces, all different kinds of machines that are cool and fun to use and very useful. Very, very useful. Nothing's wasted. So we download that and we save it. Alright, Redpower is done. Next up to bat is equivalent exchange. So we go to our Google search bar and we type in equivalent exchange. Yay. And right here you'll see it says 1.1.0, but do not be alarmed, because once we click that, it'll you'll see. Alright, and another thing I want to show is that my channel is on the top of the Google search. I'm so excited. I had no clue until I downloaded it just before. So Tiny Dogs Gamers channel, that's me, guys. I made it to the big time. So we click this 1.1.0 link, and right away you'll see it's actually 1.2.3 equivalent exchange, version 1.4.0.3. So let's scroll down. Big words, download, and right here. So 1.4.0.3, we'll click that. AdFly. Wait 5 seconds. Actually 6 seconds if you think about it. And we skip add. And we save that file. And we're done. Next up is teleport pipes. So we'll just type in teleport pipes. And we look here, and this is a very outdated form right here. This is Minecraft 1.8.1. You do not want to click that. You want to click right under it. You'll see here it says 1.1.0, and this is the proper forum to check. And right here, Buildcraft teleport pipes, and as you can see, it is updated to 1.2.3. Now it's very important, since I downloaded Buildcraft version 3.x, I have to download the Buildcraft 3.1.4 version of additional pipes, okay? Because if I download this for this, because this is Buildcraft 2.2, I did not download that version of Buildcraft, okay? If I download this version, it's going to crash the game. So make sure, people, please, if you're having crashes, make sure you download the whatever Buildcraft version you want, either 2 or 3, but make sure this mod you have the compatible version. So I'm downloading this client 3.0.1 for Buildcraft 3, okay? Please. This is where you'll get a lot of your errors. Your Buildcraft versions and your additional pipes, aka teleport pipes version, have to match, or else you will not be able to play the game. So I'm downloading that. Save the file. What's next? Logistic pipes. Logistics pipes. Okay, and we see right here logistic pipes. And this forum is located in the Buildcraft forum, like I showed you before. So in case you don't know how to get there, all you have to do is go to mod-buildcraft.com, go to the forum section, click that, okay, and you'll see right here it says related mods and texture packs. So click that, okay, and right here it'll say crafts logistic pipes. So we click that. And right here, Minecraft version 1.2.3 logistic pipes. And the same thing as additional pipes, it has a version for Buildcraft 2 and another version for Buildcraft 3. So let's click that link and scroll down. A lot of words. Gives you the recipes. Let's just keep going. Okay, so here's the download right here. It says download. There's the version for Buildcraft 2. I'm not going to download that one because I downloaded Buildcraft 3. Might have the same name, but it has different. We wouldn't put 2 links there if it was the same thing. So this is made for Minecraft 1.2.3, Buildcraft 3.1.4. Make sure you download that one because I downloaded Buildcraft 3. I'm going to download the version for Buildcraft 3. Make sure you do that. And save file and hit OK. So that's done. What's next? Forestry mod. So let's put forestry mod in the Google search. And right up we have 1.2.3 forestry for Minecraft, trees, bees, and more. Nice. I like the way that sounds. Scroll down here. We have, let's see, forestry version 1.4.0.3. Cool. Scroll down here, a lot of videos. Let's see. Download. Okay, it says download right here. All download links are now located at, I'm guessing, his wiki page. Here we go. Forestry wiki. And we look here, and the same thing as before, guys. This version of forestry is for Buildcraft 3.1.4. Okay? He also has another version for Buildcraft 2.2. So if you have Buildcraft 2.2, you're going to download this version. But since we have Buildcraft 3.1, we're going to download this version. Okay? Very simple. Please, please do not forget. And look, in bold letters, this does not work with Buildcraft 2.x. Whatever, 2. Whatever, it does not work, guys. So let's click the client. And that's another jar file. No problems. Don't worry. Just save the file into your folder. And that's done. And last but not least, I'll throw this one in there. Wireless redstone, which is a cool mod. Lets you send redstone signals throughout your world without having to worry about laying out redstone. So redstone, right here we see 1.2.3 wireless redstone version 1.5. So let's click that. Takes us to the Minecraft forum and download in big words. Okay, it has 2 kind of installers. It has this online installer, which I'm not a fan of. So let's just download 1.5 for 1.2.3. The middle link right there, and that'll save file. And of course, if you look at how to install this mod, which I'll show you, but it says you have to do it, you know, just take whatever's in there, throw it in your Minecraft jar, which I'll show you, so don't worry. And that's it, guys. We have downloaded every mod that we're going to install into our game. So we can close out this website and let's take a look at our mods folder. that I created on my desktop just to store everything. And you can see all the files we just downloaded are neatly put into one area, so we have no problem at all finding the files and installing them, which is the second step. Oh my gosh, and Tiny Dog's a noob. I forgot one more file to download. So let's go back to our Internet Explorer. And that is Audio Mod. How could I forget that? If you want the sounds, audio. So we go in our Google search. I'll go here. Audio Mod. I'll put it like that. And that's back to Rizugami's mods. So we'll click that. Let that load up. Okay, and scroll down here. And where's Audio Mod? Almost forgot that one. Okay, so Audio Mod for 1.2.3. Sweet. And we'll download directly and save that. Almost forgot that, guys. Apologize for that one. That was my fault. So now we officially have all the files. Alright, now let's install these files. So what we're going to do is open up our download folder where we have all our files installed. And we're going to open up our .minecraft folder, which I showed you how to do. In case you forgot already, you type %, app, data, little lag there, %, hit enter, and there's our .minecraft folder. I'm going to open up that, and here's how we're going to install these. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is in our .minecraft folder, we have this bin folder. So you want to open up that bin folder, and you have a list of files here, and you see one called Minecraft. That's the jar file. So what you want to do is right click on that Minecraft jar file, and you want to open with your WinRAR or 7-zip, whatever you have. So I'm opening it with WinRAR. Click OK. Wait for the annoying prompt. Okay, so we're inside our Minecraft.jar file. This is where all the magic happens. First thing you want to do is you see this folder right here, meta-inf inf. You want to delete that. So right click on meta-inf and delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Hell yes. If you leave this folder in there, it will crash your Minecraft. You'll get a black screen. You won't even be able to play. So you have to delete it no matter what. Okay, now first thing we want to install is mod loader. Right here we have mod loader. So let's right click mod loader, open with WinRAR. And now we have all these class files. And if you look at our Minecraft jar, jar has its own class files too, a whole ton of them. So we know that we're in the right area right now. So what we want to do is in our mod loader zip file, want to select all the class files like that, and you're just going to click on it and drag it to the Minecraft.jar and hit OK. And you have installed mod loader. Now, if you want to check if you did it right, you can just scroll down here, and you'll see right here, mod loader. These are the files. So there was a mod loader class, mod texture, animation. So I know I installed it because these names are in there. So that's okay. So let's close that mod loader.zip. That's done. Next up to bat is mod loader MP. So let's open with WinRAR, and it's a bunch of class files again. So what we're going to do, select all the class files, click and drag into our Minecraft.jar and hit OK. That's downloaded, no problem. And that's installed. And we close that mod loader MP. Next up, audio mod. We're gonna open with WinRAR. And we have some folders here. If you notice, this pulse code is in Minecraft.jar, so you know you're putting it into the right spot. Pulse code, pulse code. So what we're going to do, we're going to select the class file and both folders. And we're just going to click and drag it right into there. And you can see that new folder, which is IBXM. Now that's in our Minecraft jar. Also with whatever was in Paul's code and the class file, so we know we installed that correctly. Close audio mod. Next up to bat is not enough items. So of course we needed to download 2 files for not enough items, if you remembered. And of course we had to download that Code Chicken Core client 0.4.3. So let's open that Code Chicken Core with WinRAR. And we got some class files in a folder. So let's take that class file and folder and click on it and drag it into the Minecraft.jar and hit OK. Now we have the Code Chicken folder in there, so we're good. Now let's close that Code Chicken file and look for not enough items, which is right here, client 1.1.3. And we're going to open that with WinRAR. And we're going to select everything, even the 2 folders. And drag it right into there. And click OK. And now I want to install Minecraft Forge. So we got Minecraft Forge client 1.41.159. Open with WinRAR. And here we have a lot of files. And 2 folders, so no worries. We just need to select those 2 folders and all the files, class files. Click on that and drag into Minecraft jar. Hit OK, and that's downloaded. That's installed. Okay, so now we need to check to see if the mods that we have downloaded right now are working. We're not going to do Buildcraft or anything like that now because we have to make sure that our mod loader has its first load, and make sure everything's working, and make sure not enough items are working. So what we're going to do is close our Minecraft.jar, and I guess we can close the Minecraft folder also. And let's start up Minecraft. We're halfway there. So let's see if we're good to go. Mojang. Okay, so we made it to this screen. That's a sign of progress. Single player. Let's just create a new world. We'll call it new world, whatever. Create new world. And hopefully we can get right into the game and see if so far we're doing a good job. Alright, looks like we're good. Looks like we're right at... Oh, moo. The cows are moving for me. The pigs are oinking. Alright, everything's loading, no errors, so let's go and hit E to check if our not enough items are working. There we go. So we got all these options here, not enough items, which is just like too many items if you remembered. And you can see we have all these cool 5 pages of regular vanilla stuff, if you remember. And, you know, I could use whatever I want here. So everything's working so far, so we're good. I forgot to put the sound down. So everything's working, guys, and we're good to go. Not enough items is working. There's no errors. The world looks pretty normal. So now we can close and quit this. Okay. And yes, Sopa means loser in Swedish. And let's just quit game. Let's get out of here. All right. So now here's part 2. Time to install the mods. This is where we will see if everything we've done so far has been worth it. Alright, first thing we want to do is open our .minecraft folder, which I created a shortcut here. Okay, and you'll see we have some new things here. We have a mods folder, which is made, and the mod loader text document, so we know that we can now install mods. So let's open up our folder here that has all our files in it. Okay. The first thing we want to do is double click on that mods folder. And it's empty now because we haven't installed any mods. So the first mod we're going to do is BuildCraft. So all those files we downloaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files. We're going to just select all of them and copy and paste. I mean, you can drag them right into it, but I like to keep a backup in case you know, I have to download it again or install it again. So we have all our BuildCraft files into our mods folder, so that's done. Second file is the additional pipes, version 3.0. So I'm just going to right click on that, copy, and paste it right into our mods folder. Very easy, very easy. Alright, next up, okay, equivalent exchange. We have to do something different. So what we want to do is right click on EE2 client and open that with WinRAR. And as you can see, it has a mods folder and a resources folder. So if we get out of our mods folder and go back to our .minecraft, we see that there is a mods folder and a resources folder. So all we have to do is select in our equivalent exchange zip file, we just select these two folders, click and drag them right into our .minecraft folder and replace the folder. Click yes. And now we have equivalent exchange installed. Very easy. Close that. Next up to, alright, so we want to go, put that back. Okay, now let's reopen our mods folder again, and we have the forestry, which is a jar file. Nothing to worry about that. All we need to do is copy the jar file into the mods folder. Very easy. Next up, Industrial Craft 2. Same thing. Copy the jar file into the mods folder. Next up, Logistic Pipes. Same thing. Copy the Logistic Pipes file and paste it into the mods folder. Next up, Redpower. A lot of files here, but very easy. See, we just right click, select all of them, copy, and paste into the mods folder. Awesome. And last but not least, wireless redstone. We got to do something different for this. Right click on wireless redstone, open with WinRAR. Okay, and you can see, oh, we have class files. So we already seen these class files, right? Not these ones, but we've seen class files. So let's go back into our .minecraft, go to our bin folder, and our Minecraft jar, open with WinRAR. And go to our wireless redstone zip, select all the class files in those two folders, click and drag right into our Minecraft.jar file. Click OK, and we installed wireless redstone. So we're done. That's it. How easy was that? I'm just going to take a look and close this Minecraft.jar. And I'm just going to look in my mods folder and make sure I downloaded everything. I got BuildCraft, I got additional pipes, which is teleport pipes. I got equivalent exchange, forestry, industrial craft, logistic pipes, Redpower, and I did wireless redstone. So yes, we did it, guys. But it's not over yet. Let's close this folder, and let's close our Minecraft folder. Now, we're going to hit an error. This error, you cannot avoid it. So let's just open up, let's start Minecraft and see what the error is. Log in. Mojang. And just sit here and wait a sec. And the error screen will pop up. Alright, there's our error file. And we see here it's just showing us what we loaded. So it was trying to load all these mods, and it says Minecraft has, whoops, it says right here, Minecraft has crashed. Minecraft has stopped running because it encountered a problem. So let's scroll down and see what that problem was. Right here. Okay. It says right here. And it says slot 179 is already occupied by equivalent exchange. It seems that our chunk additional pipes, teleport pipes, which is this mod here, it has that block, that chunk loading block, and that is also assigned 179. So right now there's two different mods have an item in it that has the same ID. So it won't, since they're the same, you're not able to use them. So what we're gonna have to do is change the ID of one of those items, and it's very easy to do. And let me show you how. So slot 179 is the magic number here. So let's write that down. I'm gonna write that down on a piece of paper. And now let's close this Minecraft. Now what happens if you didn't see that screen? I believe there's a way we can see that log that we just saw. So we go back to our Minecraft folder. Okay, and right here, this mod loader text document. Let's open that. Scroll down here, and this is the same error message that we got right here. It says slot 179 is already occupied by 2 mods. That's what it says. So just in case you didn't see that screen, you can still locate it in your mod loader text file that's located in your .minecraft folder. So we want to change that ID number, and it seems that there was 2 mods, equivalent exchange and additional pipes. So I'm gonna change the additional pipes one. So let's go to buildcraft folder here, this buildcraft folder which was made, and it has a config folder, and right here you see additional pipes. Double click that. Now in case you didn't, you just right click on it and you open with Notepad. Okay, and what do we have here? We have the config file, and right here you see it says block chunk loader ID is 179. So we're gonna have to change that. Not a hard thing to do, guys. You have to find a number that no other mod is using, and how did I find this number personally? I was guessing numbers. I was putting like 120, 130, 135, 130. I was just going through it until I found the magic number, and it was 195. Don't know why, but that's the magic number. So you put in 195 and you click file and save, and you close that out and you close the folder. Now let's start Minecraft. Log in and sit here and wait. Okay, we made it past Mojang. Single player. Okay, we're gonna delete this world that we had made before because it's no longer valid to use. So let's create a new world, and we'll call it New World 2. Generating level, building terrain. Just cross your fingers and hope this works. Okay, we're in the game, guys. We are in the game. Usually what I like to do is just walk around a sec. I mean, you don't have to, but I like to walk around. Maybe I can spot a certain mod item. Redpower makes its own trees, so you might see some Redpower trees, and you would know that the Redpower is working. But right now, I could break grass, and maybe I'll get some flax seeds, but that's a long shot. It's regular seeds. But of course, if you're lazy, not calling you lazy, but if you're lazy, we'll just have an easy way of checking. But I just want to look. There you go. There's a Redpower tree right there. So I know Redpower is good to go. And if we're lucky, we can see some other stuff, but I won't waste your time. What we do is just hit E. Since we have not enough items, we have all the items. And you can see now we have 18 pages. Before we had 5 with regular Minecraft. Now we have 18. So I'll go back. First thing, this is industrial craft. So industrial craft is installed correctly. These are items for industrial craft. More items for industrial craft. More items for industrial craft. I love industrial craft, by the way. Equivalent exchange. Red matter. Everything's cool. Everything's working. Let's try on this cool outfit here. Oh, look. That's boss. Look at that. Yeah. And let's give ourselves a sword here. There we go. Look how ballin' we look. Man, we look badass. Alright. Next, let's see. Okay, right here is forestry. Forestry mod. Awesome. There's the bees. Remember, was it? Trees, bees, and more. So here's the bees and the trees you make. So that's working. Moldy wheat. Nasty. Oh, logistic pipes. Logistic pipes is installed correctly. We did it. Yay. We did it. This right here is copper gears. Bronze gears. That's buildcraft. No, this is forestry mod. Forestry mod. Manure. Oh, here we go. Teleport pipes. Yes. Teleport pipes is working. Buildcraft. Buildcraft. Gold gears. Yes. Fuel. We have installed buildcraft correctly. Red power. Look at all that red power stuff. Awesome. Cool. Diamond hand swords. Lights. Vanilla Minecraft. This is vanilla Minecraft. Vanilla Minecraft. Okay, more red power machines. Cool. Oh, with NEI, if you hit R on any item, it'll tell you the recipe. That's why NEI is so epic. Mass fabricator. That's industrial craft. That's working. Of course, each mod has its own ores, which with these mods, there's like you'll have 3 different kind of copper ores in your world. Now that can be a good thing because you have a lot of copper, and if you smelt it, it's all compatible. But the bad thing is, let's say you have a system like a quarry and you have a filter, and it might be annoying. You got to filter 3 different kinds of copper, 3 different kinds of tin. That might get annoying. So there is a way you can disable that, and you'll just have one kind of copper, which I usually get from industrial craft copper and industrial craft tin. So I'll show you how to do that. But here, more forestry. Equivalent exchange, forestry. See, we have more copper. This is a different kind of copper. And then we even have a different kind of, so 3 kinds of copper here. I like to disable 2 of them, so I only have 1. But it's up to you entirely. Let's see, what's this? Red power. Excuse me. And here's more red power. Here's your cool gates and switches. Cool music playing, by the way. And this is vanilla stuff. So we have installed the mods correctly. We're done. You can go right now and play whatever you want. We're done, guys. So if you want to stick around, I'm just going to show you some things you can do with these mods, such as disable the sounds. Let's say like industrial craft, you don't like the sounds of macerators, macerating 30 of them, or your drill or that chainsaw sound. I'm going to show you how to disable that, and also going to show you how to disable the ores that generate if you only want one kind of copper and one kind of tin. So let me show you that. So I'm just going to close here, but at this point, guys, you are good to go. You can play the mod. Everything's installed. So if you're gonna leave at this point, thank you for watching the vid. Appreciate it. Any questions, remember, leave me comments on my page. Personal message me, hit me up on my Minecraft forum. I'll put the link down. I'll also put all the links to all these pages on my video description. And yeah, leave me any comments, any feedback, any issues, write it down, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Okay, so let's first thing we want to do is I want to take out the copper. So let's see. I'm doing this off the limb here. Okay. All right. I want to go to my config file here and mod forestry. Is this it? No, of course not. Okay, here we go. So we're in. Let me show you where I went. I went to config in our Minecraft bin. I mean, a .minecraft folder in the config folder, and there is the forestry folder, and there is a base conf file. So you're gonna open that, of course, with Notepad, and now you have all these different things that you can set to true or false. So there's a lot of things you can disable or enable, but what the main thing I want to do is the ores. Okay, here we go. Set to false to force forestry to skip generating its own copper ore. Okay, I don't want to have copper ore from forestry because I already have it from industrial craft. So I'm gonna set. See this right here? I'm just gonna show you it. Set a generate on copper ore, and I'm going to set that to false. So I'm just going to, instead of true here, make sure there's no space, type false. I do not want it making copper. And also here, do you want set set to false to force forestry to skip generating own tin ore blocks. So I do not want tin because I already get that from industrial craft. So I set that to false. And that's it. And I save and I close. So now forestry will not make its own copper and its own tin. You do not have to do this, guys. This is purely for me. I just want one kind of copper and one kind of tin. Okay? And now go back, and I want to disable that for Redpower also. Kind of forgot where it is. I think it's this one, Redpower config file. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is not really like in a list, but if we look to the right, we'll find right here, all the way to the right. Okay. Okay, right here it says generate. So this is where it's going to generate the ores. It has copper, silver, and tin, and I'm guessing one is true. Give me a break. It doesn't like it when I click. Okay, so one is true. So I'm going to set that to 0. That's false. And tin. So copper. I do not want any copper made from Redpower mod. And same goes for tin. Not want any tin made. I just want that from one mod. So now that's good. We're done. We click file and save. And if you notice right here, enable sounds. This is when, like, if you turn on a switch, it goes click, click, click. If you don't want that, you can enable this to 0, and you don't have to hear the clicking noise. I like hearing the clicking noise, so I'll leave it there. So copper and tin are 0. It will not generate its own copper and tin for Redpower. So now that's done. So now when I make a new game and I dig and I go mining, there's only going to be that one kind of copper and one kind of tin. And I won't have issues with filters or whatever. I just do this. This is personal preference. This is why I added it to the end of the video. Now, I also want to disable the sounds for industrial craft. I do that because I do let's play videos, and when I'm trying to talk and it's kind of hard to talk when there's, like, 3 macerators, 3 iron furnaces, 3 everything running at the same time. So, and the machines and all that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We go back to our .minecraft folder, and we go to, I want to say config. Yeah, IC2 config. Scroll down. No. Okay, that's not it. Let's see. What's this IC2? Okay, here we go. So it's this IC2 config file, and here it has tons of, like, you know, enable crafting of glowstone dust. You can even change the power of your nuke. I mean, I do not touch any of that stuff. I like to keep it as it's intended to be. But here it says enable sounds. So it says sounds enable, and I'm just gonna switch that true to false. Okay, and I hit file and save, and that's it. So that was just some extra things I added at the end. So that's it, guys. This is how to install all these awesome mods. Once again, you guys got any questions, any comments, any concerns, post on the video page, send me a personal message, or send my Minecraft forum post a message. Just hit me up, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I know there's gonna be a ton of questions, but I hope this helps you enjoy all these mods and not have any issues. So take care, guys, and I will catch you on the flip side.